Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. It means a lot for all the work we do. So, in today's video guys, if you have a BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005-2013, you know that will cover E90, 91, 92, 93, and it's a diesel. And you're trying to locate your glow plug heater fuse. Okay, the fuel heater fuse will show you where to find that thing now. We have more than 200 videos on that BMW, so please subscribe for more videos guys to the channel, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. Now that generation BMW uses, I believe, 3 different fuse boxes throughout the years, so depending on when yours was built, yours might be a different fuse, so always double check everything. Now, the fuse box is located behind the glove box, the glove compartment on the passenger side, okay, right here. So, we need to go ahead and open the glove compartment now, and here, okay, we have, check it out, we have that cover that we need to remove. So how we do that, those round things, okay, we need to turn them up, okay, and pull it out like that. Now we have, okay, the fuses right here now. So now we need to locate fuse number 66 guys. In our case it's a 40 amp fuse, so if you look at that big block of fuses, okay, the big fuses, we will need to locate on the bottom row the second one from left to right. First one's missing, the second one is the one, this is number 66. Okay, this one right here is the one for the diesel fuel heater. So I'll go ahead, okay, let me see if I can pull it out. Okay, let me get a replacement one quick. Okay, this is the new one. So those, okay, if you see them like that, you can see if it's burnt or not. Ours, okay, this is the new one, it's good. So just go ahead and install it there now. Okay, make sure that it's in, perfect. And don't forget to install your cover here. So that will be guys the video. Hopefully it will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.